Hi guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of Meross Smart Wi-Fi Garage Door Opener. Excuse my daughter, she's trying to go into the frame. But this is what we're unboxing. We're going to install this. I got this from Amazon. It's originally $49 and I got it for $39. It's on sale. So with this one you should be able to control your garage opener through your iPhone or your Amazon Alexa or your Google Assistants. So right now I'm going to show you what's inside, what comes with it. Okay, let me see. I can move this a little bit. So right here is, let's see. I believe this is the contact for your garage door. Yes. So this two right here is just the contact from your door. This one is a magnet. So that's how the system will know that your garage door is closed or open. So basically it's just a long wire and this connects to, I think, the main system. Okay, let's put this back in. Put the screw back, and I believe you can also test your system first with this wire right here. This is how you'll know if your garage opener is compatible for this model. All you do is use this contact on the two wires that connects to your switch for your garage door opener inside your garage. So I believe you put this on those two. I think it's kind of like a negative positive, but you just put this in, and if your door opens or closed, that means this garage door system, this Meross should work for you. Okay, move on to the next one, next box.
What's that?
Which one?
What's that? Those things.
Oh, it's the contact. Okay, this one I believe is the system, or the main, it's like the CPU for the whole system. Yep. So this one right here is what plugs into your AC, or to your outlet. There's a, I believe there's a socket right here where you can plug this in, and you just plug into the ceiling where your garage door opener plug in. This goes to, again, this goes to the main wire that goes to your connector to your opening button to open and close your garage door. And then this connector right here, you just plug this in here to connect it. So that's what this one is. And I believe this is the plug. Yeah, this is the plug to plug it into your wall or your outlet. Just make sure. Yep. So this one right here, just plug it in. Right there. And that's about it. I think it's a pretty straightforward installation, and I'll show you guys later how I set it up. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I just finished installing the smart garage door opener. So this is how it's set up right now. So basically I ran the sensor all the way from the front where the garage door is at, then just run the wire come in here, and then everything connects to this one. Then after that, you just plug in all the wires. I can show you right here. Basically, this right here is my garage door opener wire. So I just added those two wires. That are coming from this device. And then I plugged in the sensor wire. That's the black one right there, all the way to this red one. Basically, I just connected it to this device also. And then this way right here, I just plugged it into the outlet. So it's a quick install. My suggestion is just do it clean and then place the sensor, the one that's over there, place it where it's not gonna get hit by the door or anything. And then as far as connecting, the only thing that I had an issue is connecting this device right here to the home link. For me, it's Apple, so it's the home link. But it's pretty easy. Just see this barcode right here. There's a barcode that you can scan. It will guide you to install it to your home link for your iPhone. And then I had some issue connecting it in the beginning, but how I fixed it is I just reset this whole system. There's a black button over here. Just hold that for like 5 seconds, and then you should be able to set it up and it should connect. That's the only issue that I had, but other than that, it's working. So yeah, I can show you guys. Okay guys, so I finished setting up this garage opener already from Meross. This is compatible for Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, and it's now working to how it's supposed to work. So if I say, "Hey Siri, open garage door."
Okay, the garage door is open.
There you go. So you can see it's working. Then you might say, "Hey Siri, close garage door."
Okay, the garage door is closed.
There you have it, guys. That is for Meross, and for $39, I say this is a good deal for, you know, making your garage sort of smart in a way, where you can just command Siri to just open the garage door for you. All right, just hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you.